In this video we will discuss how to locate the badge feature, how to add and customize a badge, and select a criteria for the badge. To begin the process of adding a custom badge, go to the course page you wish to add the badge to. When on this page, locate the More tab beneath the course title and click on it. When the drop-down appears, locate the Badges option and select it. This will take you to the Badges menu. In this menu you can see all available badges as well as their details. In order to add a new badge, locate and click the Add a New Badge option. You will then be greeted with the badge creation menu. The important fields to take note of are the name, the description, and the image repository. After filling out the name and the description of the badge, click on the Choose File option near the image repository to upload the picture that will be used for the badge. After uploading your image, select the Create Badge option at the bottom of the page. You will then be taken to the criteria selection page. This will allow you to set how the badge is earned. Clicking on the drop-down next to Add Badge Criteria will allow you to select from a variety of options. The first option is Manual Issued by Role, which has you select which members of the course page can award the badge. The second option, Course Completion, makes it so that the badge is awarded at the end of the course if the awardee gets the minimum grade required or higher. The third option is Awarded Badges. This makes it so that the badge is given only after certain prerequisite badges have been earned. The final option is Activity Completion. Various activities can be selected as completion requirements in order to earn the badge. When you have selected the desired criteria, click Save. You will then be asked if you wish to enable badge availability. Select Enable Access, and then click Enable on the pop-up window. With this, you will now be able to locate the badge feature, add and customize a badge, and select a criteria for the badge.